Hello everyone, my name is Definite007. You can call me Diffy. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be discussing how to fix Linux terminal when it's not working. I mean, when you hit Ctrl-Alt-T, it doesn't open up the terminal. So if you're a Linux user and you are frustrated about the terminal has stopped responding and it's not opening up, then here's a quick solution for you. Because it might be possible that you have installed a Python version, that is an older version of Python or maybe a newer version of Python, which is clashing with the current Python, and you would have changed the configuration for Python 3. So let's fix it real quick. So the first step is to go to your directory, the home directory. Let's open it up. So here we are, and we right click here, open in terminal, and this will open your terminal. Surprisingly, only this location will open your terminal. So let's open it. Now it has opened my terminal. So let me full screen it and increase a bit so that you can see. Now, okay. Wait a second. Yeah. So the command which we have to type, just note it down. That is sudo gedit, or you can use vim as well. Let's use nano for now, because nano is available on all the Linux, the minimum installation as well. Sudo nano /usr / gnome-terminal. Let me password real quick. Yeah, and here we are. So the gnome-terminal is on, and this is the setting. So you can see the first line says user bin python 3, and as you have installed the new version of Python and it has been updated with Python 3, the current Python version which is installed inside is not taken into this gnome-terminal file. That's why the terminal is not opening up. There can be a temporary solution that you can go to home directory every time and then you open the terminal from right clicking there. But if you want to install, like launch it after Ctrl-Alt-T, then you have to do this. Just simply update this. So now I'll go to the terminal which I just opened. Let's close this for now, Ctrl-X, and let's check for Python 3 versions. ls/user/bin/python star. Now you can see I have Python 3 and Python 3.8 installed, and Python 3.10 as well. And when you install Ubuntu 22.4, the jellyfish version, it comes with a Python 3.10, and that is a perfect config for a jammy jellyfish. Now let's fix this real quick. So we'll do the above command, and we simply have to do is write here 3.10 and save it. So for saving it, we have to press Ctrl-X, and if it will say save the modifier, we'll press Y, and then we can enter. Now if I close the terminal and hit Ctrl-Alt-T, voila, it worked. Now you see, this is very simple, and let me show you. Yeah, see, everything is working fine. So this is a short video on how to make your Linux terminal work, and this will surely help you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.